friends, welcome to our channel Easy Learn and Grow. In today's video, we're going to learn and write 3-letter words in English. A and D and. P-A-T pat. H-A-D had. C-A-P cap. A-double-L all. A-T-E eight. N-E-W new. L-O-T lot. B-E-D bed. H-E-N hen. B-A-T bat. S-E-T set. S-A-T sat. C-A-T cat. P-E-N pen. T-A-P tap. W-A-S was. K-E-Y key. R-U-N run. U-S-E use. M-A-T mat. C-A-N can. S-A-W saw. V-I-G wig. B-U-I buy. D-A-D dad. V-A-N van. O-W-N own. N-O-W now. W-A-Y way. O-L-D old. F-L-Y fly. F-O-X fox. N-O-T not. Z-A-P zap. J-A-R jar. E-A-T eat. W-I-N win. P-A-W pow. A-G-E age. P-O-P pop. G-O-D God. A-R-M arm. G-E-L, gel. B-I-G, big. H-I-S, his. R-U-B, rub. H-A-T, hat. B-Y-E, buy. H-O-W, how. R-A-T, rat. F-O-R, for. I-C-E, eyes. B-A-G, bag. B-U-S, bus. A-R-E, R. B-I-T, bit. J-E-T, jet. S-E-E, sea. G-A-S, gas. L-E-T, let. T-O-P, top. C-A-B, cab. And the last, P-I-N, pin.